guys, welcome to AutoCraze once again. I'm Mo, I'm big fan of the Hilux behind me. Thank you so much to our YouTube subscribers and people watching, man. We've finally hit 14 million views on our YouTube page. Today we're excited because we're always introducing a brand new product. Today we got the rival bar. You've seen rival bars so many bloody times. We are the kings of rival. There's no rivalry with us because we do rivals every single day. But most importantly, we're going to be introducing a brand new product. You haven't seen other people do it, you haven't seen people working with it, selling it, fitting it on. This is a Fox lift kit. He's going to be getting a 3-inch Fox lift kit with the one and only best cow off-road upper arms and a big diff drop. Going to be getting a set of XD Holeshots. Grab the BFG KO2s and also Australian engineered Safari Snorkel. Stay tuned guys and watch this mother behind me. Sign that for me please, sir. This is Musti, he's a bit shy. He's not a man of a lot of words, but this is his first time he's seen the car. Let's go.
Wow.
Done, man. Rival bar, Fox lift kit, XD wheels, BFG, Safari Snorkel. And on top of that, the tail light covers, man. It's done, it's dusted, it's all finished, it's completed. Cars, wow. What do you reckon? Got the wheels you wanted, yeah? Yeah. So done for you, cuz.
What a job.
What are you gonna say, bro?
Very nice.
I told you he's a man of few words, but he's stoked, it's done, he's happy. Hit us up, now we are distributors of Fox lift kits. So that's all done for you, bro. Got the rival bar, the grill's done. Wheels and tyres, that's the wheels and tyres, yeah?
Yeah. Can't believe.
Can't believe it's your car, eh?
I swear I can't believe it.
Big difference, yeah?
Yeah.
Cuz, what do you want to say, bro?
All I want to say is thanks a lot, very happy. Very, very good job. If you ever want to upgrade on his cars, wheels, tyres, whatever customization, come see him out. He's the man. AutoCraze, they know what they're doing. I'm definitely coming back. Definitely coming back. So stay tuned. There's more coming.
YouTube, man. Subscribe. Our Facebook, our Instagram. Don't do it. Loads more, man.